I'm Krystin Strand, product specialist here at the new Nemer Volkswagen of Colonie in Schenectady, and today I want to talk a little bit about pairing your phone to your vehicle and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So all of our vehicles are equipped with some form of this for compatible phones. So today we're going to be showing you the example in a 2023 Volkswagen ID4. First thing we're going to do is we are going to pair our phone to the car. Compatible phones and compatible vehicles will have a wireless option to do this, though some of your entry levels for Android Auto, you may still need to plug in your phone with the USB-C cord, okay? So I'm going to go into phone. I'm going to go into here where you can see what the name of your vehicle is. So in my phone, I am going to go into my Bluetooth settings, and you can see my VW 5931. That is the name of this ID4, is my VW 5931. So I'm going to select it. It's going to pair with the car. It might take a second. If it won't automatically connect from your phone, as you can see, my VW 5931 couldn't connect. You can wait for it to show up in your select a phone setting and select it from there. Bluetooth, hands-free is connecting via Krystin's 23 Ultra. So now you'll see the Bluetooth pairing request is both on the screen and on your phone. You want to make sure that the password matches. So if it does, you click yes on your touch screen and pair on your phone. Okay, it's now asking if I would allow all my permissions, so I'm going to allow. And then on the screen here, because I have Android Auto instead of Apple CarPlay, it's going to ask if I want to connect also using Android Auto. On my phone, I'm going to get a message. I'm going to say okay, and there we go. That is how easy it is with the wireless connect to get your Android Auto or Apple CarPlay situated. So now from here, even if my car does not come with onboard navigation, I can use navigation through Google Maps just like I would on my phone, except it's right here on the touchscreen for easy access. Okay, I can search destinations, pull up my saved destinations as well, or my recents. I can look for restaurants or rest stops or hotels. I can get into my YouTube music. I'm currently listening to a podcast. Please don't judge me. I can also, pull up my contacts here as well. I can go back into my regular screen as well if I need to use something in just the ID4's menu. Like if I want to check out my vehicle statistics, I just go back to the main menu. But I want to go back into my Android Auto screen. Okay. So here as well, I can pull up all the options that I have from my phone. So instead of listening to YouTube music, I want to listen to Pandora. I can just put on my Pandora music as well. So again, this is Krystin Strand, a product specialist over at Nemer Volkswagen of Colonie in Schenectady. That is how easy it is to set up your Android Auto or your Apple CarPlay in any of the Volkswagen lineups that are compatible. Thanks again, and I'll see you next Friday.